Isang linggo sa buhay ng isang OFW. Tara.
So, hindi ko na kailangang maligo kasi I already took a shower last night. Monday is my day off, but nag-change na yung schedule ko. So, merong offer na Kinder, so I grabbed it. Diba? So, let's go.
Hello. V.
Day 2, Tuesday, and I am sick. Wala akong klase in the morning, but I'm praying that I will be well tonight kasi may klase ako tonight. May sakit pa rin tayo. It's already 5:10 and may night class tayo. 5:30 to 8:45 ng gabi. Wala tayong choice kahit masakit ang ulo and everything. Wala tayong choice. Naniniwala na ako na kapag nasa abroad ka, bawal magkasakit. Tara, trabaho tayo na walang sakit-sakit.
Ready for the next class.
It's already 7:15 and I have to wait for 15 minutes for the last class. And you have a fever?
Everybody stand up.
And just like that, day 3 na tayo. May klase ako 8:30, kindergarten sa Montessori School. Malapit lang naman, 10 minutes. 5 klase siya, pero 2 hours lang. So madali lang naman siya now kasi assessment nila, magte-test lang sila. Speaking test.
I'm in.
Hello, Sim.
Bulaga.
Hello. Oh, is that? Bye bye.
Day 4.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Fist bump. Psh. Psh.
It's already 10:30 and last class ko na yon. I'll just fix the chairs kasi may klase pa ako this afternoon at 2 o'clock. May 3 pang klase and then mamayang gabi ulit. So, let's go. Fix lang natin yung chairs. So, magre-rest lang ako and then after that, dito ako sa isang coffee shop and I have to wait until 2 o'clock. It's already 2:30 and I have to go back to the kindergarten kasi may klase ako. Magdadrive pa ako. So, yeah. Let's go. Napakatahimik kasi 10 minutes pa before 2 o'clock. Natutulog pa lang sila, nagna-nap time sila. Tapos mamaya, after their nap time, mga 2 o'clock, ay tatambol na. Tapos yun na yung signal para gumising sila. Tapos dun pa lang ako papasok. Tapos na naman. Tapos na tayo. Uwian na. $4:48. Nakarating na tayo. Doon ako. May klase pa pala. Hanggang 8:30 pa. 30 minutes pa. May klase na naman. Hindi, dapat ganito. 30 minutes pa, may klase na naman. Dalawa pang klase ko, night class. Tapos, maaga na naman bukas.
Yeah, everybody sit down. Give it to me. Thank you.
It's Friday, it's our 5th day, and it's 7:30. May klase ako at 8:30, so let's prepare.
You have been broken, your innocence, oh, your SOS, your SOS. And out an army.
Let's go.
Hello. Big. That's right. Go, go, go.
Go, banana.
Go, banana.
Bye-bye. Nakapagpalit na ako and it's already 12:38 and nakakain na rin. So, bumili ako kanina ng gamot for my ubo. At grabe sila dito, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yung dapat mong inumin. Ubusin dapat yan. Same din kapag gabi. Magkano lang to? 20,000 dong. 40 pesos. Iinumin ko lang to and then mag-nap time lang kasi mamayang 7:15 pa yung next na klase ko, 7:15. Eto lahat sila. Kailangan kong inumin lahat to.
Oh, put sticker. What do you want? Hi, Sam.
It's Saturday and it's our 6th day. Bakbakan na to. Umaga until nighttime sa center ako. So, may klase ako at 9:30. 6th day. Let's go.
Teacher, may I?
Olivia? Upot kalabasa.
Bye, teacher. Hey. Yeah.
12:15 and hindi ko naubos yung pagkain ko. And may klase tayo, 3:45. Magna-nap time muna tayo. Go! Afternoon.
Oh. Hi, Mamo.
Teacher, may I go out?
Teacher, may I go out?
Thank you, Lord. It's Sunday and it's our last day. At naitawid natin itong week leave na to. So, I'm getting ready for my class at 9:30 until 11 o'clock. So, let's get ready. Let's go.
Hôm nay kia mình thức cơm hả? Cứ ngủ trưa tí.
Our lunch. Time for afternoon class.
Mẹ ăn cơm ạ. Bây giờ mẹ ăn rồi.
Tapos na tayo sa first class natin in the afternoon. And may dalawa pa until 8:45 pa.
Mẹ ăn của áo. Teacher, mẹ ăn rồi ạ.
Punta na ako sa last class ko. Naririnig ko sila. Nasa baba lang sila. Last period, pero magte-test lang tayo. Tapos, it's already 8. Tapos na. That's all for today. Oh, teka lang. Don't forget to like and subscribe.